This is all about making your teeth whiter, inexpensively at home. Let's start with what commonly stains our teeth. Blueberries, these even the healthy ones, and coffee. These stains build up on our teeth over time, making them look discolored. But there's a simple solution: baking soda. Baking soda not only freshens your home and cleans surfaces but also works wonders for your teeth. Here's how you can use it. 1. Mix a little baking soda with a bit of water to make a paste. 2. Apply this paste to your toothbrush. 3. Gently brush your teeth with the paste, focusing on the stained areas. Baking soda works by scrubbing away stains and breaking down molecules that cause discoloration. Its alkaline pH helps neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. Plus, it has antibacterial properties that promote overall oral health. Now, let's see the stains left by blueberries and coffee. They can be tough to remove, but baking soda makes it easier. With just a light brushing motion, you'll see the stains disappear like magic. Remember, though, to brush gently and only use baking soda once or twice a week to avoid damaging your enamel. And if you have any concerns, it's always best to consult your dentist. So, give this simple whitening method a try and enjoy a brighter smile.